Well, here it is. Took me a few days to build it, but I've got it moving. I still need to finish the coupler on this Y motor stepper. That's why it's disconnected. Because I actually have two motors on the Y. There's the motor on the X. There's the coupler and screw. And your Z. This is the speed control for the spindle, which is not hooked up. It works. I need to extend the wires to the power supply. I'm running it on Mach 3. And it's doing a Roadrunner, which is a demo program. I haven't checked the coordinations. I did a basic setup. Using an old, small little computer to run it. Runs on parallel port. The problem I've been having today was the first controller I tried using, which has a DRO on it and a keypad. It didn't want to move the X. I moved the plug from X to Y and X worked great. So something wrong with this new board. Then I put in this board and it didn't want to work at all, and the fan didn't even want to come on. So I found the last one I had. I buy these things like crazy sometimes when I get a good deal. And it's a basic 3-axis board. I have a 24-volt power supply operating it. And you can see the parallel port. Got all the wires going around the chain. Comes down to this chain. Drill a hole in the 80-20. And the controller and power supply will be mounted back here, more in the corner. And this bar gets moved back to it. Those two bars in the middle will be additional supports located in the middle of those two. So I guess that's about it. You see some of the work I did. We had these aluminum uprights built a few years ago. I cut them out. To use it on this, I chopped off about 2 inches on top. Nail bearings for the X and the Y. Came from someplace. I had that thing sitting around. It was some kind of scientific machine. Took it apart. Down there it says an 80-20. They are 1x2s, I believe. Got my corner brackets in. That's about it. This is what the mountain bracket looked like for it. You can see I modified the front ones. I got more clearance. And I added about 2 inches to the length. The X rails are actually mounted right through the aluminum. And there you can see the bearing for the X screw, lead screw. There's the lead screw nut. There's a coupler I just happened to have laying around. I like to make solid ones for it. Using the same thing up on the Z. They seem to be working okay. So this controller board's working. And now I guess it's time to finish up the coupler for this screw. And get it mounted back in. machine's working good with just one screw. It runs very smoothly, except these steppers are all noisy. This one's not noisy. And the Z's not noisy. The rattling is the plate that's holding the spindle. I don't have it tight. So I guess that's about it. This is what I've been doing instead of working on the Bradley GT2. Besides, it's been too hot and muggy out there to do anything. So that's about it. See you around the campus. Bye.